In this video, let me show you how to use drive away information feature on the Jaecoo cars. So if you would like to stop getting honked at, it's a quite useful and easy feature on the Jaecoo. So let's start by finding and selecting the settings. As you can see, I've got the settings here. Then if you open the settings, you can use this left menu, select here the driver assistance, and here you've got drive away information. This feature acts as helpful prompt when you are stopped in traffic or at a red light. If you look away or lose focus, the car uses its front cameras to detect when the leading vehicle has started moving forward. It then gives you a gentle visual or audible alert on the screen so you can drive away promptly before the driver behind you loses patience. I think it's quite useful. Let me enable this here by using this feature and this switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.